Welcome to the Vocab School by Manu and Tinku. Our aim is to enhance your English vocabulary by introducing one new word daily. Let's see what word we are learning today. Word of the day is brevity. In this video we will learn its origin, form, literal meaning and practical usage. Let the learning begin. Let us discuss the origin of brevity. What do we know? The word brevity has its origin in the Latin word brevitas, which comes from the adjective brevis, meaning short or brief. Also from late 15th century, taken from an old French word brevite. We discuss origin to give our viewers maximum knowledge of the word we learn. So keep learning. Now brevity is a noun, meaning a concise and exact use of words in writing or speech. Like we say, the staff will edit manuscripts with a view to brevity and clarity. For your knowledge, a noun is a word that represents a person, thing, place and a concept. So we understood the origin and form of brevity. Let's discuss the literal meaning of brevity. The literal meaning of brevity is the quality or state of being brief, concise, or short in duration. Or we can say, conciseness of expression or lack of verbosity. Do leave a comment if you know more about the word and if you learned the word brevity. Moving on to the most important part, where we learn the similar and opposite words for brevity. Some similar words like conciseness, succinctness, briefness, pith and compactness. Some opposite words like verbosity, prolixity, wordiness. Keep that in mind. Learning these words will help understand the word better. Viewers, we appreciate if you share your knowledge as well. So do not forget to comment if you know more or if we have missed something. Now let's use the word brevity in sentences to understand the practical usage of the word. Some examples like, none of this is compromised for the sake of brevity. Or, the brevity of human life. Or, for brevity it is worth using these little symbols. Thanks for watching. If you learned the word of the day, please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe to the Vocab School and share the video with your friends and family. Happy learning and have a nice day.